Who am I kidding? Let's stop wasting time. We all know why I'm really here. I'm back at the Medina Antique Mall. 10 out of 10 experience last time. They were having their big anniversary sale, so I'm not expecting the same discounts. I also only have 2 hours to shop, as I was planning on spending the day here tomorrow, but I'm staying in town. So I am gonna shop until I drop or they kick me out. I am so ready. Let's do this. Now we're talking. Look at this guy. Paper mache mannequin head as found. $50. That's pretty amazing. That's a pretty great piece. I have a few things like this. It's not paper mache, it's plaster. Very cool. I have a few of the full-size ones. It's actually this piece too that's interesting to me. There's something really unique about that. Greek. Interesting. I love how bright it is in here too. You can see stuff, which is nice. A lot of antique malls I go to are so dark. What is this? Oh, that's funny. Not exactly what I thought. Over here, this caught my attention. The cat pottery, that's fun. It's got a chip on it, made in Japan. It's also priceless. Whoa, look at this Murano elephant. Unfortunately, he appears to be priceless as well. Oh no, I think it's $45. I think that's his tag. That's not a bad price at all. Yeah, Murano elephant, $45. He's pretty spectacular. I might pick that up. I'm kind of distracted by whatever this is. Haluza. That's cool. I got excited. I thought that was going to be a paperweight, that Costa Boda piece back there. It is indeed a lampshade. I'm also in love with this piece of pottery. That is so different. And this is interesting too. What's this? Mackenzie Child. So there you go. 59 on that piece. That's a fun one. What is that? Italian wiener dog pin. Is it glass? It's freaking crazy cool. There, the reflection. There's a sticker on the bottom of it too. Made in Italy. Wow, it's got some age to it. My gut's telling me to look at that. I'm not walking away. I'm getting a key. This is amazing. This hand. Just like so overwhelmed. Like I said, the quality. I love this Amberina piece. And Tiffany glass art candle holder as is though. While I wait for the key, I'm looking at this guy. That looks like $20. What the heck is it? It's a German bunny bank. That's amazing. We're gonna have to look at that. The dentist set is pretty spectacular. The Murano fish, but it's actually this green piece that's striking me. The quilted optic one. This is fantastic.
Okay, can I help you with?
It's got a chip. I was kind of hoping the wiener dog was gonna be glass. It was like a resin. Still cool, but I don't know if I could get more than, enough to get much out of the after fees. I did pick up that German bunny bank. This piece had damage and was at 75, so I left it. Gosh, that's a gorgeous fairy lamp, and I don't even really like fairy lamps. That one's at 98. This is a cool one. Check that out. Art glass vase, $49. It's got a certain look to it. So funny. And then this enamel over copper piece, $20 on that one. Too close for me. Enamel dresser jar, that's kind of fun. Have I already even been in here? I'm like so turned around already. I've only been in here for like an hour and I feel like I've lost a day of my life. I'm so in my element. Some really fun owl mugs. Those are Japanese. Oh my gosh, how funny. My impression from Florida with the butt. Oh, I found some really great stuff in this booth the last time I was here. Look at this. But Bagnini Potosi, really fantastic box. It's got a chip and it's at $175. See, that face is still there. That surprises me. I thought that was a really special piece, although I loved it. So I wonder if this is what I think it is. It is. Mackenzie Childs mug, $22.99, so $23, so $20. It's got a little bit of wear. It's a good buy. Etna. I feel like that's a good one. 25. Very cool. Oh, it's Mount Etna. Duh. What do we have here? That is a fabulous mirror. $50 on that. That's pretty great. Orchards to you. I kind of want that. I've got it under my arm. It's for my new room. What a great hot dog tray. So good. What is this? Carved face box. That's interesting. Not exactly what I thought it was going to be. It's also impossible to put back together. There it goes. Really fun Laurel Birch tea something. You know what I'm trying to say. This case, there's that Italian cat I accidentally left behind last time. $50. It is a little spendy, but it would be for me. I'm gonna leave it though. I did kind of regret leaving it the last time, but I want to find one for a little bit less. It makes it a little bit more fun. That's about what I would sell one for, so I'm not doing a good job at showing it with this freaking mirror under my arm. Fabulous chalkware pieces. Love the dancers. Where are those at? Ah, $50 for the pair. That's totally reasonable. Yeah, the prices here are pretty good. Considering the quality. Love the poodle. Some more cats. Gosh, I've seen so many cats. That little Millefiore paperweight's quite special. And I love the lucite bangles. What's this piece? That's kind of cool. Grease. It's got a certain look to it. This is my friend's booth. He has amazing stuff. Like, amazing. Did I say he has amazing stuff yet? I love that green fountain vase back there. That's at $65. It's so nice. Lots of cats. I also love that little Latticino piece. Oh my God. Look at the Blinko vase. It's like cotton candy. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. Let's just have a moment for that. Ooh, what's this? It's got a little chip. Still fun though. I like the look of this booth. That's fun. This radio is amazing. That is so cool. Zenith, 1950s. So freaking cool. Ooh, I usually see this, but I don't see this. $76. It's a set though. Sasha Brastoff. You get 2 dishes and this candle holder. I thought it was a vase. It's kind of unusual. Oh, I love that brooch. That's so fun. And the sequined handkerchief? What? I've never seen that before. It's locked. Dang. I thought I was gonna get lucky. Such a great set of salt and pepper shakers. The TV. That's at $26. Dude. What is this? Jonathan Adler cat. That's fantastic. I'm Googling this immediately. that's a good deal. That's going home with me. So it looks like it is a decent deal with 10%. That is so freaking cool. That would come to $72. It's pretty epic. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. Try to keep it vintage, but Jonathan Adler's pretty awesome stuff. That pink opalescent, like a pink opaline Murano ram is pretty spectacular. Here's that face. I kept thinking about it. It's really fantastic. It's the top of it that bothers me a little. I ended up putting it back last time. It's close to being spot on my style. These are neat. Lucite. Look at this guy. He's funny. Oh, this one's the win, though. Look at the goofy poodle. So funny, Italian. I can't do anything with that for resale at that price, but still admirable. This booth is gonna get me in trouble. Wow, look at that. And that piece of pottery is really neat too. The blue on that is insane. Over here, some really interesting birds. That's a nice little vase there. 89, I can't tell what it is. The little celluloid cupies, those are sweet. I've bought and sold those a bunch in the past. I have a few myself, and I love this set still. It's $195 though. It's a little much for me to do something with. Now look at this. Oh, this is the Lickstrand I was talking about. Victor Lickstrand. I have that in pink, if I'm not mistaken. Now this though, the figural. Oh, it says as is. I was like, why is it that price? Because you can't even tell. It's so dainty. It's got the nudes on it, and then the face is the stopper. But as is, dang. That's a quite special one. Look at that faceted Murano piece. That's at 75. Really unique shape to that. Great color too. All right, well, this person has extremely expensive Bakelite, but this piece stands out to me. This is really cool. The Bakelite necklace and pin set, 200. That's so fun. So unique. All right, now look at this guy. She's fantastic. 42. Oh my gosh, I love that. And then what's this planter back here? That's so cute. She's cracked though, the one with the anchor, the little sailor girl. I got some really unique pieces out of this booth last time. That's cool. Denmark. Couldn't help but notice this little daisy bowl. So fun. $20. That's not bad at all. That's pretty great, actually. That what is it, melanite? Is that what the material I'm thinking of is? I can't remember. It's pretty fun. It's a little bit more than I thought to pay, but I'm on the fence about it. I also know that I'm gonna come back here tomorrow, so. How fun are these enamelware? Oh no, they're ceramic. I thought they were enamelware. Well, that's not as fun. Just kidding. These little weird salt and pepper people. Gosh, I like that lamp so much. I got an amazing Murano lamp last time I was here. I also got the freaking raddest vase ever from this booth. Wait a minute. Wait, is this table for sale? Or is it just display? Because it's gold glitter. That's important. I wonder. I'm pretty sure it's just for display. I'm like aggressively looking for a tag. Yeah, it's definitely for display. That sucks. That thing's so cool. Probably weighs 100 pounds. More than that. I had a friend, Patricia, who would have loved this. She collected these Japanese pottery tea sets. That pilot's jacket is pretty neat. I also can't help but notice this weird owl. I like this SeaWorld security shirt. That's pretty badass. Bizarre pottery clown head. That thing is spooky. Well, these are different. MCM, oh, I thought they were to votives or something. They're just individual cups. What is this horse? This has a certain look to it. $35. USA pottery. Not what I was hoping. It's very neat though. Coventry. Interesting. This is one of the booths I was most excited for. I got some of the coolest stuff ever out of this booth last time. Like that baby face vase. I sold it. It went to a good home. That is still just as cool as it was before. What in the heck is this? Oh my God. I don't think that's a bird. I feel like it's some other animal. It's got a broken tail and it's like paper thin, so I'm not really trying to mess with it, but it's very cool. The lucite piece. Yeah, some amazing Italian pieces in this booth. Really special stuff. I still think this is so neat. Some really great Italian glass pieces in this booth. I think I'm gonna save the case for tomorrow. I'm starting to feel it. I've been on the road all day and shopping all day. Looks like neodymium. This is a neat piece. Interesting. I can't make out that sticker on it. It's really cool though. Like the color. Unique shape too. It's actually this picture that's totally, oh my gosh, of course it's Italian. So nice. Look at how sweet this little lamp is. I love the shade on it. Oh my gosh. $20. That's insane. So sweet. Dude, those are bizarre. Dane Burr. The monkey is kind of the win for me. That's a very different Fenton vase. Last time I was here, I got a really great check piece from this booth. What's happening here? Imperial Dragon ashtray. It's kind of hard to make that out. That's really interesting. I thought it was going to be like a Bathing Beauty or something. $20. That's pretty badass. It was this piece that caught my attention. I was kind of hoping it was a vase. It's a pitcher. $48. That is so pretty. I love the quilted optic style. Oh my gosh, that little Florenza trinket box. It's fantastic. Is it locked? Oh, it is locked. I'll have to come back and finish cases and pay attention to some more booths tomorrow. There's that cannon jar I love so much. Before I left, I went back to check on the cat. Alas, it was gone. There was an epic cat clock in really great condition. I considered, if it was still here, to take it home, but somebody wanted it more than I did. I don't know how I managed to do that, but I spent $238, I think, in there, which is insane, including this mirror for myself. The bittersweet alone will sell for a little less than that. Really good deals in there. Great stuff. I did run out of steam a little bit. I might come back tomorrow. I'm gonna enjoy one of the best things about being out here, which of course is the fact that they have frozen custard and cheese fries. So I'm off to frozen custard, and I'll see you guys.